Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make money with Clickbank. So if you're just a beginner, I'm going to be talking about what to look for when picking an affiliate product to promote. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about what to look for when picking a product to promote on Clickbank so you can start earning money. But before I get into that, if you like to learn different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to go and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so with that being said, let me just get right into it. So let's just say, for the sake of time, you've already picked out a niche that you want to promote and you set up your account with Clickbank. And if you haven't set up your account yet, it's pretty simple. All you do is just go to clickbank.com, click on the button in the top right corner where it says create account, and just fill out your information, and that's it. Now, after you have all of this done, where you picked out the niche that you want to promote and you've created your account, now it's time to pick a product to promote. So when it comes to picking a product, there's a few things that you need to keep in mind. The first thing is to pick a product that's related to the niche that you're in. The second thing is to pick a product that's going to solve a problem that people in your niche are having. So for example, if you're in the weight loss niche, you should pick a weight loss supplement if people are struggling to lose weight in your niche. And the third thing is to pick a profitable product. This should be a no-brainer because that's the whole purpose of picking a product to promote. My suggestion for you guys when picking out products is to pick out a couple of different products to promote to your target audience. Let's say you promote one product to your target audience and they don't really respond well to that one, you can just simply promote another one to see how that one works with them. So let me talk about the variables when it comes to picking a product to promote on Clickbank. So when you go to Clickbank, you're going to look for products to promote that are in your niche. So let's say, for example, we're in the health and fitness niche, and we're going to be promoting a product that's called Flat Belly Fix. So let's start off by looking at the average dollar per sale. So what this number represents is the earnings that you make from a one-time sale. So for this example, if somebody buys this product one time, you're going to be making $33. But this number is going to represent the amount for the product plus recurring billing, if that vendor offers recurring billing. So a few examples of recurring billing can be something as a subscription or a monthly membership. So this is going to be included to the average dollar per sale. So now let's look at the initial dollar per sale. So this number represents the amount you would be earning when you sell each particular product. So a good rule of thumb to have is to look for a product that's going to pay you $30 or more. So next, we're going to look at the average percent of sale. So what this basically means is that this is the average commission rate that is earned from all sales of a vendor's product. So these might include upsells, rebills, one-time purchases if the vendor is offering all of these for their product. So in this case, there's a 78% commission rate. So you would be earning 78% of what the product is being sold for. So when you're picking a product to promote, you should go with something that has an average percent of sale of at least 50%. Now let's look at the average rebill total. So this is going to be how much you would be earning if the vendor is offering monthly recurring billing. So as you can see, this vendor offers recurring billing for their customers, but they don't pay you a commission as an affiliate for recurring billing. So now let's take a look at the average percent rebill. So what this number means is the average commission rate that is earned for rebills. So in this case, the average percent of rebill is at 1%, which is pretty much nothing. So if you're looking for a product to promote that pays you if a customer is being charged for rebilling, it's ideal for you to pick a product that's paying you at least 30%. So finally, let's take a look at the gravity. So what this number represents is the number of affiliates who have made one or more sales with the affiliate product. And it's also based on how recent that the sales were actually made. So when picking out an affiliate product to promote, I recommend picking one that has a gravity of at least 12% or more. So as you can see, the product that we're using as an example has a gravity of 150. So that means that this product is selling like turkeys on Thanksgiving. So once you have a product that matches all of this criteria, now all you have to do is promote it. So it's pretty simple. When promoting a product, there's going to be a button right next to it that says promote. You just click that button and you're going to be given your affiliate link. So now you're ready to promote this product on whatever platform that you're using. So that's basically how you pick a product to promote on Clickbank. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, or at least learned something new. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what your thoughts are. And if you guys want my personal recommendation when it comes to making a full-time income online, then you can check out the link in the top of the description. And I'm also going to leave another link for a free ebook download called Affiliate Marketing Ideas. So what this book does is it helps you decide what niche to promote and also the different platforms that you can use to promote your affiliate offers on. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.